हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल। स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत के यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। 365 डेज द डे इट वाज की आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे थ्री पर्सनैलिटीज़ के बारे में, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, भाईचुंग भूटिया एंड गीता फोगाट। तो शुरुआत करने से पहले आज की मोटिवेशनल कोट। आँखों में पानी रखो, होठों पे चिंगारी रखो, जिंदा रहना है तो तरकीबें बहुत सारी रखो। राह के पत्थर से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है मंजिलें, राह के पत्थर से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है मंजिलें, रास्ते आवाज़ देते हैं, सफ़र जारी रखो। तो आइए दोस्तों, पहला पॉइंट 15 दिसंबर 1950, वल्लभ भाई जावेर भाई पटेल, popularly known as Sardar Patel, a lawyer, freedom fighter and a politician, passed away on this date at the age of 75 in Mumbai. Vallabhbhai Patel passed his matriculation at the age of 22. He was interested in becoming a lawyer, so he studied for it on his own and passed the examination from the books borrowed from other lawyers. He practiced law in Godhra, Borsad, and Anand. When he was 36, he went to England and enrolled at the Middle Temple Inn in London and completed a 36-month course in just 30 months. When he came back to India, he settled in Ahmedabad and became a well-known barrister there. He met Gandhiji in 1917 and joined Indian independence struggle and joined the movement to fight for the exemption of taxes in Kheda at the time of plague. He joined Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. He worked against caste discrimination, alcohol consumption, and he worked for women empowerment. And at the time when Gandhiji was imprisoned, Patel led the Satyagraha movement in Nagpur in 1923 against a ban on raising the Indian flag. Vallabhbhai Patel led a successful Bardoli Satyagraha movement in Gujarat in 1928, and in this movement, women of Bardoli gave him the title Sardar. At the time of independence, Patel had included every 562 indigenous princely states in Indian Union, which earned him the title of Iron Man of India. And because of this reason, on his birthday, 31st October, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day, is celebrated. Patel was the senior leader in the Constituent Assembly of India and was responsible in large measure for shaping India's constitution. He is also regarded as father of modern all India services. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and Minister of Home Affairs from 15th August 1947 to 15th December 1947. He was posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna in 1991. Statue of Unity, a monument dedicated to Patel, has been built in Gujarat. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, that is 597 feet. Next point, 15th December 1976. Bhaichung Bhutia, former Indian professional footballer, was born on this day in Tinkitam, Sikkim. Bhaichung Bhutia is also known as Sikkimese Sniper, a nickname given to him because of his shooting skills in football. He played as a striker. Footballer I. M. Vijayan, a three-time Indian Player of the Year, called him as God's gift to Indian football. He made his debut in 1993 for East Bengal, where in 9 appearances he scored 4 goals. In 95, he made his international debut at the age of 19 against Thailand in the Nehru Cup, and in that very tournament by scoring a goal against Uzbekistan, he became youngest Indian goal scorer. In 2002 LG Cup, he scored 2 goals against Vietnam, helping India to a 3-2 win. He was the captain of the team in 2005 SAF Championship, and India won the championship. He played the East Bengal club Mohun Bagan English club Barri in 99 and became the first Indian footballer to sign a contract with a European club. He played for Perak FA, a Malaysian football club. He played for JCT Mills club. His international winning honors, winning Nehru Cup, AFC Challenge Cup, LG Cup and SAF Championship 3 times. He made total 104 appearances for the national side and scored total 40 goals. He has 82 international caps to his name, making him India's second most capped player. He has had an impressive club career which involves 226 league games and 100 goals. In 2010, he founded Bauching Bhutia Football Schools in Delhi. He played his farewell match against Bayern Munich at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Delhi in 2012. Bauching Stadium in Sikkim was built in his honor. He received Arjuna Award in 98 and Padma Shri in 2008. Next point, 15th December 1988, Geeta Fogart, a freestyle wrestler, was born on this date in Balalli, Haryana. In 2009, at the Commonwealth Wrestling Championship in Jalandhar, she won gold medal. In 2010, at Commonwealth Games, she became India's first ever gold medal winner in women's wrestling. She defeated Australian Emily Benstead with a score of 1-0 and 7-0. In 2011, in Commonwealth Championship held in Melbourne, she won gold in 55 kg. In 2013, Johannesburg Commonwealth Championship, she won silver in 55 kg. In 2012, in FILA Asian Olympic Qualification Tournament, she won gold. In 2012, at the World Wrestling Championship in Canada, she won bronze in 55 kg. In Asian Championship in 2012, she won bronze in 55 kg. In 2015, she won bronze in 58 kg. She is also the first Indian female wrestler who qualified for the Olympic Summer Games. तो उम्मीद करता हूं दोस्तों कि आज का सेशन आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर आवर पढ़ाई करो यूट्यूब चैनल. पढ़ाई करो टीम की तरफ से ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.